शाराद्रिसङ्काशगौरं कबीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्रीशरीरं स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा लसत्फालबालेन्दुकण्ठे भुजङ्गा.
A warm welcome to all the devotees on Raksha Sutra English. We are going to narrate wonderful holy stories to all the devotees from the book Miracles of Love by Ramdas Ji, an exclusive devotee of Maharaj Ji. Please listen carefully, all the devotees. One day, an ordinary man came to see Maharaj Ji simply in order to have his desire fulfilled. He wanted to be a minister. Maharaj Ji said, "Okay, you will be a minister. Take prasad and go." One day, many years later, I was alone with Maharaj Ji in the room at Kainchi. For hours we were alone there together, and he was deep in some samadhi. Samadhi means spiritual trance state, when suddenly he called out a man's name. 15 minutes later, a car with a flag drove up to Kainchi with some government minister. I told Maharaj Ji, who said to give him prasad and then call him in. That man came in and said, "Maharaj Ji, once I met you, you told me that I would become a minister. Now I have become a minister. It is due only to your grace. Before taking the post, I felt I should come here and take the dust of your lotus feet. So I have come here for your darshan. Then I will assume my post." Only now and then did Maharaj Ji discuss politics at all. Usually he didn't seem to be particularly interested in worldly affairs unless pressed by his devotees. Often his perspective on the issues of the day seemed cosmic and frequently amused. One day, in speaking with a Western devotee, Maharaj Ji inquired as to whether the scientists were now planning to send a rocket ship to Mars. When the devotee told him yes, they were, Maharaj Ji laughed and laughed. A politician said to Maharaj Ji of his own work, "We are doing so much for the people." Maharaj Ji replied, "Where is your green revolution?" Referring to the drought. "You think you can do everything? You can do nothing. Only God can do." Maharaj Ji thought. He expressed favor for India's independence, said, "The British were good at heart. 25 years ago, a few of us were sitting with Maharaj Ji, and he said about the Pakistan-India partition, 'You will see, one part of Pakistan will be with India.' In 1962, during the India-China War, I told Maharaj Ji, "Chinese forces have entered Assam. Our forces have acted like spectators. If they continue not to fight, the Chinese will come to the plains." Maharaj Ji said, "Nothing will happen. China will retreat. India is a place of rishis." Rishis means sages and self-sacrifice. Communism can't come. But Maharaj Ji, I continued, "Why have the Chinese forces come?" "Just to awaken you," he replied. They were speaking of a people communist takeover, and Maharaj Ji said, "No, no, communism can't come here. All the people are religious minded and devout. Communism comes only to those countries where there is no faith in God. In countries where there is religion and it is being observed, no communism can come. India is a golden bird. It is a country of rishis and saints. Change is the way of the bird, and if in the Kali Yuga, dark age, it has to go this way, let it go. Unless you are the Lord, you can't stop it anyway, so why berate it? Remaining stories of this section will be narrated to all devotees in next episode. To listen the wonderful holy stories of Maharaj Ji, please like, share, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Write in the comment box Jai Neem Karoli Baba Ji Maharaj.